Hello friends, it's Candy from Henan Lima Machine Manufacturer. Today this is the 150 kg per hour floating fish feed extruder. Now I will introduce the machine detail now. This is the control box. This is main motor. This is the feed hopper. And you can see our Lima logo on this machine. And this is screw. This is cutter. We need to pour all kinds of powder into feed hopper, and the raw material will come out from this through screw and inform the floating fish feed. Our floating fish pallet can make 1 to 12 mm, and this pallet is 4 mm, and the feed pallet can floating around 24 mm. And this machine suited for farm use. If you want to start your business, please contact us.